Hi, it's Kelly again. Going to answer another one of your questions, and it's a good one. How does it keep me feeling fuller longer? Great question. Well, there's a couple different elements to this. Number one, you're looking at 11 grams of collagen protein. 11 is a huge amount, and in fact, in the formulation, 11 grams equates to over 20% of your recommended daily allowance of protein, which is huge. Second reason, number two, the fact that it's animal protein, your body recognizes this. It's bioavailable. Your body gobbles it up and puts it to work quickly, which is a really good thing. Which leads me to, you're not eating a hunk of meat, okay? So it's not taking 5 hours to digest and then go into your system, not at all. Here's the other reason why it fills you up. I chose the gelatin form of collagen protein as opposed to collagen peptides. The reason being is that gelatin swells or blooms once you drink this. So when you do, what happens is it gives your belly a physical feeling of fullness without the bloat. And with that, that generally means that you're going to eat less and follow, kind of stay on your eating plan. Yeah?